Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix no service on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and facing the issue that is no service, then guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings in your iPhone. And guys, after opening settings, you need to scroll it down. And guys, after this, here is the option of general. So guys, you can see here. So guys, simply you need to click here. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down. And here is the option of transfer and or reset iPhone. So guys, you need to click on it. And guys, after this, click on reset. And guys, the second option you can see there, reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, after this, here you need to put passcode of your iPhone. And guys, after putting your password, then automatically network setting will be reset. And after resetting network setting in your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. So guys, go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So maybe these are problems due to less version or lower version of iOS. So guys, you need to update to latest version. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your settings, and guys, after this, click on general. And guys, after this, here is the option of software update. So guys, simply you need to click here. And guys, after this, here you can see here is the option of update now. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your iPhone, so guys, then you need to update your iPhone. And after updating, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your network or your sim on your iPhone easily. So guys, if doing all the things still your problem not fixed, so guys, then you need to contact your network communication agents. So guys, after contacting them, you need to tell them your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.